Kasbah Souss Agadir at Doha with Fadoua and also Abd, who have this really great workshop where you can learn to make tagine, and it's a really nice way to get exposed to Moroccan culture and learn a little bit about the Moroccan cuisine. And so we're here today, we're really excited. I'm really excited to learn how to make tagine, and Fadoua is gonna show me everything.
You're gonna learn how to cook a very good tagine from my hands, and also the way of my mother, she teaches me to cook tagine.
Okay, so let's begin. We're gonna make the Souss tagine with Fadoua.
Tagine of Souss we're gonna make today. The ingredients we're gonna begin from the vegetable. The vegetable that we're gonna use is onion, and also potatoes, and also carrots and tomatoes. And also for the spices that we're gonna use, we have ginger, salt, black pepper, turmeric, and also red pepper. Also we have some garlic and olive, cilantro, and also olive oil. Good, you're doing good. Wash it.
It's hard. Can I cut it like this?
Yeah, you can cut it.
So like that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's alright. Sorry, it's easier for me. I'm not very good.
I just wanted you to try
The Moroccan.
It's easier for
It's
me.
easier, yeah. So like this?
Yeah.
Moroccans, they always take out this part of the carrot, and when I make couscous, I take it out, and it takes me forever, and it's very difficult. But I got a little bit better.
Very difficult, but you need to use to it, because there is so many ways how to take it. Oops.
Oh man.
You can take it from this way.
Okay, so like that. Oops.
It's okay.
It's very hard.
Yeah, that's what's fun about the tagine workshop.
After you have cooked the chicken and then you add the onions, you add one cup of water.
Cup of tea.
Like the
Cup of tea for the tea. Yeah. We're gonna wait for it like 10 minutes. 10 minutes, and after that we're gonna check.
The tagine cooked for half an hour, and now we're going to show you what it looks like. Thank you, Abd and Fadoua, for teaching us. Wow.
Oh, it smells very good.
Thank you.
Okay, so it starts.
So also something that you have to know about Moroccan culture is no one eats by themselves. It's always a big group, and that's the thing I love about tagine is that you eat it all together.
That's why I'm just telling you because
بسم الله.
لأنه ممكن باش تدغمها زعما الدغمرة.
بسم الله.
ايش كيعرفنا؟
بسم الله.
كاين الشاش كما تتكلم.
Fantastic.
She gonna make for you tagine every day.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're the one who benefits from all this.
Also this carrot, I love the carrot also.
Yeah, and the olives go really well. Everything is fantastic. Bravo.
What's your name?
I
Yeah,
know.
for yourself.
Mom, you know what
I
the
give you
thing,
my way, and you should learn your way now.
the thing for me is not putting everything in the spices, it's the cooking. That's where I mess up. Because I don't know,
He knows.
and then it's watery.
Yeah, actually I cook tagines
Yeah,
for
Zofria.
tagines for Nadine sometimes, but
Yeah.
they are not delicious like this one.
Yeah, no, it's not bad.
Yeah, and I'm not trying to be nice. I'm saying the truth. This tagine has a very unique.
Flavor.
Yeah.
Made with love, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also love and from your heart. That's also what makes everything good.